Bowerbirds are special in the bird world. Male bowerbird build unique structure called bower to attract the female. Bower is always on the ground, built with sticks and consists of two avenues, where male is performed in the middle or in front of it. Up north in Queensland live a special bowerbird. Tooth-billed bowerbird are the only bowerbird in Australia that doesn't build a bower in the traditional sense. Instead, near the center of their territory, where males sing and display to prospective mates, they maintain a cleared area in the rainforest floor, about 2 to 5 square meters, known as court. Here they regularly place a large upturned leaves, pale side up. The male uses the same area of rainforest floor for constructing his stage as the year before. It is constructed at the beginning of the breeding season from October to January. During the breeding season, male may spend 95% of the day on average singing from his perch, often 2 to 3 meters above his stage. They are also expert mimics. This medium-sized, chunky rainforest bird found in small area of higher elevation rainforest. They have dark brown upper parts and pale underparts with blurry brown streaking. Bill has a serration that resembles teeth. The thick bill has slight hook, which gives it the common name. Please subscribe and share. Stay with the channel for more little wonders in the nature.